You sound like a responsible man or a business leader. Who'd have thought that, huh? Hey, welcome to another episode of Derek's Pack Breakers. We have a box or a pack for you, and let's see what it is. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's George Brett. I saw George Brett, Club 3000. 24 of 455. Wow. What could it be? Boom. Oh, sweet. It's the relic. Of course, this is 2000 Fleer Club 3000. I love these. I collect these game used. And here's one that I have of George Brett. Game worn jersey. Love George Brett. And of course, he got his 3000th hit on September 30, 1992. So I'm working more on these Club 3000s from 2000 Fleer. If you have any, send them my way. Hey, have a thumbs up day. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.